Good. Okay, we stop for a second. And I give you one little stylistic advice. Stay parallel to the floor. Throughout this whole move, low and parallel. No need to lift. No need to lift. It takes a lot of time to go up. Yeah. As well, if you know Nicholas Brothers, again, I'm a big fan of this super big, wide, circular style. Occupy the space. Pidi, pidi, pipa, pipa. Occupy the space. Stay low. Yes. Floor helps you push. Floor helps you land. Yeah. So the smaller you do everything, the less surface you have for your turns. The bigger you are, wow, you have more space. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, kick, 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 pop, pop, and some kind of low resolution, and this is going to be your choice. Let me show you to the music what we do, and then we dance together. Yes? Okay. Let's go. We do together and then I watch you. 2/8 introduction. Now I'm gonna watch you. Get ready. Attitude, guys. Attitude. Let's go.